So this euro dollar analysis for Monday the 9th of April. Now let's just have a look what happened pricing and where pricing may likely go. So previously on the euro dollar, we did see continued sell side momentum. We came beneath this 22.87 test. The 22.87 broke down towards the 22.23. Trade slightly below 22.23. Nothing to be too concerned about. As we can see, it was mainly the wicks of the candles on the actually hourly time frame that we are looking at. We didn't have a close below the 22.23, from which we did see bullish buy side momentum return to the market, bring us up towards this 22.87. So from this 22.87, we've had a brief pullback. We've had a test of 22.87, had a rejection. So if we do see sell side momentum persist in this market and this current trend, which is slightly to the downside, persist, we're then looking for price head down towards a 22.23 to see if we do see that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market as it has on two previous occasions more recently here. If we do break, however, from this 22.23, we're looking for price head down towards that 21.78. Beyond 21.78, we've got 21.50. We've got 21.50 where we previously found support in around 21.50, 21.60, and a breakdown from there. We're looking for price hit down to a very key important level from 2017 of 2092. If, however, we do see the bullish buy side momentum if we do see the bullish buy side momentum from where we are and we do not see the breakdown, we go for another test of the 22.87 and successfully break. We do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average as well as the 400 period moving average, but a break from the 22.87, we're then looking for the next major horizontal level up at 23.62. Successful break from which we're then looking for prices to proceed towards the 23.96 essentially, but essentially 124. We'll anticipate prices moving beyond 124 here on the euro dollar. Beyond 124, we've got 124.50, but I would expect 124 to be the far end of the range here on the euro dollar. Now let's just have a look at the higher time frames just to see how prices are developing here on the euro dollar. We head over to the monthly chart. As we can see here, we do maintain a bullish stance. We've had a strong move upwards, brief pullback, and move upwards towards that 200 period moving average up towards that psychological level of 125. Had a brief pullback, still appear to be forming a bit of a bull flag at the moment. So we'll see if we do have that break to the upside and the upward continuation and recovery here in the euro dollar. We'll have a brief look at the weekly time frame. Over on the weekly time frame, we can see here on this weekly time frame that we have had a strong, after having a gap up after the French elections, we've had a strong move to the upside, brief pullback down beneath this 200 period moving average, posted a higher low, from which we had a strong move up towards the 400 period moving average as well as the 125, 125.50. From there, we have seen a bit of a pullback here. We have not seen a breakdown in prices. Prices do appear to be consolidating into a price contraction squeeze at the moment here on the weekly time frame. Prices, price contraction squeeze here on the weekly time frame. It does appear to be a bull flag at the moment, so we do expect a break, possibly beyond up towards the 28.87. If we do see strong bullish buy side momentum continue in this market over the next couple of weeks or so. Now, if we have a look at the daily time frame just to see how finally here on the euro dollar, we can see that this consolidation has been going on for quite some time here. Upper end of range being around that 125, 125.50. Lower end of trading range, we've got in around the lows in around that to 21.50 or so, but prices in around the 22s, 22.50s, 22.23s. As we can see, prices have been oscillating between those 2 points, but in light of the most recent trend to the upside, until we start to see a breakdown from this 21.78, 21.50, I do expect further upside momentum to maintain itself on the euro dollar. With that said, they're up to the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.